Number 15, Janina San Miguel. Janina, how are you?
I'm fine.
Alright, so you won 2 of the major awards, Best in Long Gown, Best in Swimsuit. Do you feel any pressure right now?
No, I don't feel any pressure right now.
Confident. Alright. Please choose a name to judge. We have Miss Vivian Tan.
Good evening. Good evening. The question is, what role did your family play with you as candidate to Binibining Pilipinas? Well, my family's role for me is so important because they was the one who's very oh, I'm so sorry. My family, oh my God. I'm so sorry. I told you that I'm so confident. Hello, wait. Sorry guys, because this was really my first pageant ever. Because I'm only 17 years old. And I did not expect that I came from one of the top 10. So, but I say